Hey guys, this is Jeff and I'm back with another video for you guys. Um so Ripple is shooting up. You guys want to know where to get in, what's a good place to buy. Everyone wants to know where a good place to buy is because they've seen the price shooting up. They're asking if they should buy now, blah blah blah. In my opinion, now's not the best time to buy it, obviously, because price is really high. You want to buy something that's super expensive, you'd wait for it to get cheaper. If you can, well, that'd be the better option. Um So yeah, that's why we have technical analysis. We look at areas where we could possibly get in. Um, so yeah, let's take a look at what the charts are telling us. There's a ripple against the dollar, and as you can see down here, this area is a great support area. This is the super bargain zone right here. Um, Held up as resistance for a while. Obviously, price broke through, but if price was ever to return here, that'd be amazing. Be a It would be a beautiful place to buy from, but that's if price ever gets here. Now, if we move up to the 0.786 Fibonacci level here, because we've got our Fibonacci tool here, because there's not a lot of precedent, so Fibonacci's are helping us out. Between the 80 cents and 70 cents area, there was a little range here. At the 0.618, there was a bit of traffic here. Price held up and it coincides with this fib here, so that's a good level here. And of course, this level here, price, when I lined it up, price was struggling to break through. Now it seems like it's bouncing from it. So let's actually look at the time frames to have a better look. Yeah, so yeah, as you can see, price came crashing back down around the $2 level to the 195, 194 level, and that coincides with the 0.236 Fibonacci level. So price went back down, crashed down, bounced back up, and so it seems like this Fibonacci level is holding for now. We can see these levels a lot more clearly now. We can see how price has interacted with them. And the one thing to note is that when you are looking for an entry, sometimes looking at a lower time frame just helps you be a bit more precise with that entry. The longer time frames will give you an overall reliable look at price levels, because you get to see how price has interacted with a certain level over a longer period of time, so it makes it more significant. But obviously, these haven't been around for long. Cryptocurrencies are babies, so the lower the lower time frames are a good look. As you can see, this was the range I was talking about before, between the 80 level and the 70 level. 90 holds some support here as well, but it's kind of in the middle of nowhere. There's nothing else supporting it, but these are backed by the fibs as well, so that's why I like them. I like this area here. So yeah, this is Ripple against the dollar. So let's take a look at it against Bitcoin. Let's switch it back to the daily so we can get the daily look at Bitcoin. See, Bitcoin has more price levels. It has more of a precedent. What's going on with my voice? What's going on? Christmas has finished my voice, but yeah. Yeah. Basically, there's a lot more precedent with Bitcoin and Ripple. There's a lot more price interaction over a longer period of time, so we got some more solid levels here. And as you can see, some of them coincide with the Fibonacci levels. This 0.618 is one I've got my eye on right here, around 0.00008. There are some other price levels down here that look quite good as well. I try to highlight them with these blue lines here, but like again the 0.786, but it's just a matter of if it gets there, because these are really low down, like this area here. Of course, we have around the 50% level, 0.5 level. There was a bit of a range here earlier on, and if price comes down here, maybe people will look to this level and be like, oh yeah, price stopped here, so I'm going to take some profits, or I'm going to sell, blah blah blah, or I'm going to buy. It's just one of those levels that people will look at. And the 0.236, when I lined it out, price was struggling to get through it, and it's obviously bounced from it now because price is up here. Let's look at the 4-hour chart. See, as you can see, price bounced from this Fibonacci level, and we've seen a lot in the cryptocurrency markets, Fibonacci levels coming through and working out. This is the level that I was looking at here, the 0.0008. You can see prices around here, even 0.007 around this area. Yeah, decent areas to buy. For me, at least. Obviously, you guys gotta choose for yourself where you want to buy and what's good for you. It all depends on your risk appetite and other factors of that nature. So yeah, Bitcoin, as you can see, this is one of the ones that I lined out. Bitcoin against Ripple. One of the areas is 0.786, looking real good, as it usually does, but will price get there? Of course, that is the $1 million question. But we don't, well, personally I don't try to determine if price will get there, and things like that. I don't like to speculate on if it will. I just know what I'm going to do when it gets there. That's what you have to decide for yourself. You gotta have an entry plan, you gotta have an exit plan, and that's all you can do, because you're not moving the markets. Well, I don't think you are. Maybe someone listening to this is moving the markets, but I doubt it. So yeah, let's move on to Ripple against Ethereum, or Ether, blah blah blah, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, here we go. See, not a lot of precedent, just like dollar. Looks like it's coming down towards the 0.236 level here. You can see I lined out this area here. This area is gorgeous. The fibs here, 0.618 again. I personally love that level, but let's take a deeper look. Yeah, so as you can see, price around this zone is kind of stalled, and prices crashed through this and popped back out of the 0.236. So nothing really held up. It was kind of held up by this 0.28 level, this all around here. Let's highlight that to make that a bit easier for you guys. So around here, price is popping up for whatever reason, but yeah. So we've got a support level here. Obviously for me, it wouldn't be worth looking at, because it's just that, and so to me it's quite flimsy. Price could easily just break through that. These levels here interest me a bit more, around the 0.0018 and the 0.0014 level. These areas are quite good, and again the 0.786 Fibonacci level, or 78.6% level Fibonacci level, retracement level, looks great around 0.0012. Yeah, these are all decent levels, I suppose. Obviously I have my personal preferences on where I would want to get in. You guys have yours. Obviously use this in conjunction with your own analysis. But yeah, I hope this helped. I hope this will help you guys. And I hope it wasn't boring, because it's kind of hard to make a technical analysis video fun. But if you guys have any suggestions, leave it in the comments below. But actually, no, I kind of find technical analysis fun, to be honest. But I suppose that's just me. But yeah, this is probably the last video before 2018. So if I don't speak to you guys before then, have a great new year. I hope 2018 brings loads of cryptocurrency gains. It's very prosperous for you, and yeah, just make it a great year for you guys. It'll be a big year for cryptocurrencies, that is for sure. So yeah, thanks for listening, guys, and see you next year probably.